I once bought a rice cooker because it was cheap, shiny, and promised perfect rice every time. Well, it gave me crunchy rice on top, a burnt layer on the bottom, and a countertop that looked like it had survived a tiny rice volcano. The truth is, choosing an Aroma rice cooker is not just about price. Capacity, inner pot material, cooking modes, and cleanup matter. So stick around, because number one is not the best choice for everyone, but for the right person, it is an absolute beast. 10. Aroma Housewares ARC-757SG. This is best for anyone who wants a simple stainless steel rice cooker and refuses to deal with a coated inner pot. The first thing that stands out here is that stainless steel cooking pot. No nonstick coating to baby, no worry about scratches from a metal spoon, and no moment 6 months later where you look at peeling coating and think, well, that can't be ideal. It is a straightforward, old-school approach. The ARC-757SG makes from 4 to 14 cooked cups of rice, which is a nice middle ground for couples, small families, or anyone who likes leftovers. You add rice, add water, press the lever, and walk away. When cooking finishes, it automatically switches to keep warm. That simplicity is genuinely useful. There are no intimidating menus, no tiny buttons to decode, and no manual that feels like it was translated through 3 different planets. You can also use it for oatmeal, soup, chili, jambalaya, and basic one-pot meals. But stainless steel does ask for a little effort from you. Rice can stick to the bottom, especially if you leave it warming for a long time or use the wrong water ratio. That is not a deal breaker, but it means this model rewards people who rinse their rice and fluff it soon after cooking. The glass lid is handy because you can see what is happening without constantly lifting it. Bottom line, this is a dependable, basic pick for people who value an uncoated pot more than advanced settings. Just don't expect it to magically know your preferred texture. 9. Aroma ARC-743-1NG. This is best for students, singles, and small households that want rice plus a simple steaming setup on a tight budget. This little cooker is compact, light, and pleasantly uncomplicated. It handles 2 to 6 cooked cups of rice, making it a logical choice when cooking for 1 or 2 people. It does not occupy your whole counter like it pays rent, which is always appreciated. What gives it extra value is the included steam tray. You can make rice below while steaming broccoli, dumplings, fish, or chicken above. For a quick weeknight meal, that is honestly useful. Press one button, prep a sauce, answer a few messages, and dinner is moving. The tempered glass lid lets you check progress while the cooker shifts automatically to keep warm when the water has cooked off. It also works for oatmeal, soup, chili, and small batches of grains. For a basic appliance, it earns its space. Now here is what matters. This is a budget cooker, and it feels like one in certain places. The inner pot is non-stick, which makes cleanup easy at first, but it deserves gentle utensils and careful washing. Also, the small steaming tray is better for vegetables and modest portions than a full family meal. The keep warm mode can dry rice if you leave it there too long, so think of it as a short holding zone, not a storage plan for the whole evening. 8. Aroma ARC-914SBD. SBD is best for small families who want digital controls without spending premium rice cooker money. The 914SBD is where Aroma starts feeling more thoughtful. It makes 2 to 8 cooked cups and adds dedicated settings for white rice, brown rice, steam, and flash rice. That means you're no longer guessing whether the cooker will treat brown rice like an afterthought. You know the ones. The digital controls are simple enough that you'll actually use them. You select the setting, let the cooker do its thing, and it switches to keep warm at the end. There's also a delay timer, which is great when you want rice ready around dinner instead of starting it when everyone is already hungry. Aroma's sensor logic technology is designed to adjust temperature through the cooking cycle, and that shows up in the appeal of this model. The goal is fluffier grains and fewer "why is the top dry but the bottom wet" situations. You know the ones. The steam tray also lets you build a basic one-appliance meal. Rice and vegetables work particularly well here. Just keep expectations realistic. The cooker is compact, so steaming food above the rice reduces the available room below. It's ideal for a couple, not a dinner party. This is a strong upgrade from simple lever models because it gives you more control without turning rice into a technical project. The only slight annoyance is that the inner water markings can be hard to see in certain lighting. 7. Aroma Select Stainless Steel Rice Cooker ARC-743-SG. This is best for minimalists who cook smaller portions and want the durability of stainless steel. This is the compact stainless steel option for people who do not need to feed a crowd. It is the kind of cooker that makes sense in a small apartment, dorm kitchen, RV, or office lunch setup where counter space is basically a luxury item. Like its larger stainless sibling, the ARC-753SG keeps things very simple. Add rice and water, switch it on, and let the automatic keep warm feature take over at the end. No screens, no presets, no possibility of accidentally selecting cake when you meant rice. The appeal is the uncoated stainless pot. If you have ever retired a non-stick cooker because the bowl started looking tired, this design will make sense immediately. Stainless is durable, easy to maintain, and does not require delicate treatment. It's also useful beyond rice. Small batches of oatmeal, quinoa, soup, and reheated leftovers are all reasonable jobs. And because it's compact, it's easier to tuck away after dinner instead of leaving it permanently on display. Here's the trade-off. A stainless pot is not naturally as forgiving as a non-stick one. Rice may cling at the bottom, especially with sticky varieties or extended warming. But if your priority is simple operation, a smaller footprint, and a pot built for long-term use, this is a very sensible choice. 6. Aroma Professional ARC-5200SG. This professional is best for families who want one cooker to handle rice, grains, slow-cooked meals, breakfast, and steamed sides. Now we're stepping into multi-cooker territory. The ARC-5200SG prepares up to 20 cooked cups of rice, and it brings 15 cooking modes to the table: white rice, brown rice, multigrain, oatmeal, steam, slow cook, sauté then simmer, egg, risotto, cake. Well, it is clearly trying to earn its counter space. For a family, that capacity is a major win. You can make enough rice for dinner, lunches, and maybe that person who suddenly says, "Actually, I'm starving," after claiming they were not hungry. We all know that person. The sauté then simmer function is particularly useful for one-pot recipes. You can start onions, garlic, or spices in the pot, then add broth and ingredients without moving to a separate pan. That makes chili, jambalaya, and rice-based meals much less annoying to clean up afterward. It has a 15-hour delay timer and automatic keep warm, so it suits people who want to do some setup earlier in the day. The included steamer lets you cook vegetables or protein while rice cooks underneath, though the shallow basket works better for smaller ingredients. The biggest strength is flexibility. If you only cook plain jasmine rice once a week, this may be more machine than you need. But if you want one appliance that can make oatmeal in the morning, steam vegetables at dinner, and slow-cook chili on the weekend, this is a very practical all-rounder. 5. Aroma Housewares ARC-150SB. This Housewares is best for busy households that need generous capacity and useful digital presets at a reasonable price. The ARC-150SB lands in a sweet spot. It handles 4 to 20 cooked cups, so it is large enough for a family meal, meal prep, gatherings, or rice-heavy households without jumping all the way to commercial size. You get digital presets for white rice, brown rice, steam, flash rice, and slow cook. That selection makes a real difference if you rotate through different grains. Brown rice is not just white rice that needs more hope and more water. It needs its own cycle, and this cooker gives it one. The flash rice setting is useful on rushed nights. Is it as fast as instant rice? No, but it can reduce the wait when you forgot about dinner until everyone started wandering into the kitchen asking what is happening. So yes, it has saved some evenings. It also includes a steam tray, a delay timer, and an automatic warming function. You can start rice, focus on your main dish, and stop sacrificing one burner just to watch a pot boil. That alone makes this model feel valuable for active kitchens. It is not tiny, and the fixed lid takes a little more care to clean than a fully removable one, but considering its capacity, features, and ability to work as a slow cooker, it is one of the strongest value-focused models in this list. 4. Aroma Housewares ARC-914SBD. This is best for solo cooks who want quick, uncomplicated rice without sacrificing half their kitchen to an appliance. This is the tiny workhorse. The ARC-914SBD makes 2 to 4 cooked cups of rice, which is exactly right for one person, a couple, or someone who wants a fresh batch instead of a massive container of leftovers slowly taking over the fridge. It has a one-touch control, a glass lid, a removable non-stick pot, and automatic warm mode. That is it. And honestly, for its intended buyer, that is enough. You do not need 7 modes to make a bowl of rice for dinner. The footprint is excellent. At roughly the size of a small saucepan appliance, it can fit in a dorm, studio apartment, kitchenette, or crowded kitchen cabinet. It is also a good choice for someone learning to cook because the process is hard to mess up. Beyond rice, it handles oatmeal, soups, and small one-pot dishes. The high, consistent heat can be surprisingly useful when you want something warm but do not want to pull out a large pot and babysit the stove. The key is respecting the capacity. This is not for a family of 5 or a weekly meal prep marathon, but for fresh, small portions with nearly zero effort, it earns its high ranking. It's simple in the best way. It solves a real problem and does not create 3 new ones. 3. Aroma 6-Cup Ultra One-Touch Pot Style Rice Cooker. This pot style is best for health-conscious cooks who want a compact cooker with a newer ceramic non-stick approach. This model brings a more modern feel to the classic one-touch formula. It is made for cooks who want a convenient, small-capacity rice cooker but prefer a PFAS-free ceramic non-stick cooking surface over traditional non-stick materials. The 6-cup cooked capacity is especially practical for 2 to 3 people. It is enough for dinner plus a little leftover rice, but not so large that you feel pressured to make a giant batch just because the appliance is there. One-touch operation keeps the experience easy. You add your rinsed rice, match the water ratio, close the lid, and let the cooker handle the rest. When it switches to warm, give the rice a few minutes to rest, fluff it, and you are in business. The ceramic surface should make cleanup friendlier than stainless steel, especially for sticky rice and oatmeal. That is a major advantage when you want convenience but don't want to spend 5 minutes soaking and scraping a pot after every meal. This is a great fit for anyone who wants uncomplicated rice without going back to basic coated aluminum. It doesn't have the deep menu of a multi-cooker, and that's kind of the point. It's focused, compact, and pleasantly low stress. 2. Aroma ARC-7606B. This is best for serious rice lovers who care about even heating, texture, and a more premium cooking result. This is where Aroma gets genuinely impressive. The ARC-7606B uses 360-degree induction heating, dual temperature sensors, a heavy 2mm iron inner pot. Translation: heat surrounds the food more evenly instead of blasting it only from underneath. That matters because even heating is the difference between rice that is merely cooked and rice that feels properly finished. Better texture, fewer uneven spots, and more consistent results across white rice, multigrain blends, porridge, oatmeal, and soup. It makes 2 to 12 cooked cups, which is a very useful range. You can cook a modest dinner for 2 without an oversized pot, then make enough for a bigger family meal when needed. The digital menu is focused rather than overloaded: white rice, multigrain, steam, oatmeal, porridge, and soup. The pot itself feels like a serious upgrade. Its thickness helps hold heat, and the durable nonstick coating makes cleanup far easier than you would expect from a heavier inner pot. The removable inner lid and steam trap are also helpful because those are the places that tend to get neglected until, well, something starts smelling mysterious. It is not the fastest cooker, and induction models make a noticeable hum from the fan and heating system, but if rice quality is your first priority, this is arguably the best home-focused option in the entire lineup. It delivers a premium approach without drifting into luxury brand prices. Aroma Housewares ARC-914SBD. This is best for catering, events, churches, food businesses, and anyone who needs to serve a serious crowd. Let me be clear, this is not a normal household rice cooker. This is a 30-cup uncooked, 60-cup cooked commercial machine. It is built for volume, repetition, and people who hear "make rice for 50" and do not immediately panic. Its stainless steel exterior, heavy-duty lid, and large non-stick inner pot are designed for continuous use. You can make huge batches of white rice, jasmine, sticky rice, brown rice, and more with a simple one-touch operation. Fill it, switch it on, and focus on everything else that needs doing. For caterers, small restaurants, community events, fundraising dinners, and large family gatherings, the value is obvious. Instead of running several small cookers or juggling pots across the stove, you can create one major batch and keep it warm for serving. The automatic keep warm function is important here. When food service runs longer than expected, you need rice available without constantly reheating it. That said, do not leave rice sitting all day and expect it to taste exactly like a fresh batch. Even commercial equipment has limits, my friends. Now, it is huge, it needs storage space, and it's unnecessary for a couple making Tuesday night sushi bowls. But for its intended job, nothing else on this list competes.